Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT Plus, and I'm going to show you how to use the Ambition plugin. If you're looking for work and for job descriptions and qualifications and all that good stuff, and you're looking to start something new, this is the plugin for you. Let's start from scratch. So I'm going to click on New Chat here. I'm going to go from GPT 3.5 to GPT 4. And when you do that, you're going to see here that it's currently set to default. You want to just hover over and make sure that plugins is selected. When you do that, you're going to see here that I've got this little purple dinosaur egg looking thing. That is the Ambition plugin. So that means I've installed it, and the blue check mark means it's good to go. I'm going to click on the plugin store, and you're going to see here now that this is brand new today, I believe. I haven't seen this before, but you can actually now search. So I just typed in search into the search bar, and presto, you would just click on, if it was uninstalled, you can just go ahead and click install just like that. Okay, good, we're rolling now. So the first step for any plugin is I type in, how do I use this plugin? The reason why is because you get a little bit of a write-up in the so-called App Store or the plugin store, but you don't really know how to use it. So I always ask this question. It gives you a real quick response, and then once it's gone this far, now we can go ahead and use it the way we want to use it. I'll let this finish, and then we'll get going. All right, welcome back. So it basically does two real things. You can do a job search, and then you can talk to it or ask it about different job details. So I'm going to look for a developer job in Vancouver, BC, and hit enter. Something very vague like that. I didn't say what language or any of those things, and you'll see here that it says using Ambition. And now, while it loads up all these different jobs, look at this. You can click on this down arrow, and when you do that, it'll even tell you what it did. So if you're a developer, you'll know what's going on here. Here's the request, and here's the response, all of it in fancy dancy code. Anyways, here we go. It's given me back a bunch of different options. I think it usually gives me about 10 if I remember correctly. And here we go. These are all Vancouver, BC developer jobs. So I would be interested in none of them because I'm not a very good developer. But if I was a good developer, well, whatever, I would click on one of them. But anyways, you'll see here it says you can click on the links to learn more about each job, and you can also ask for more specific details. So what is this? Web developer at Pixie Link Solutions. So I would go give me details about number 6. And when you do that, it's going to summon up the job description. It'll give you some more details like, what type of work it is, where you would be working, things like that. So here we go. Qualifications required, education, experience, tasks, etc., etc. So all in all, Ambition is a fantastic plugin on the GPT store if you're looking, or the plugin app store if you're looking for work. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching.